How to get diamonds in Minecraft. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to get diamonds in Minecraft. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to tell you on what level diamonds spawn in Minecraft. The ore of blocks of diamonds in Minecraft are quite rare, and you have to be extremely careful while looking for them. These precious blocks tend to spawn below the world of height of y equals to 16, so you'll need to dig deep to uncover them. Remember, the deeper you venture, the more abundant. Only key level to keep in mind is Y64, which marks the deepest point in the game and is commonly referred to as a bedrock level. However, most players prefer to search for them around the Y58 and Y59, as this area isn't affected by unbreakable bedrock blocks. Now, what you want to do is find the split diamond ore. In Minecraft, the developers made a significant change to diamond ore generation, aiming to make diamonds easier to find. Thanks to them, diamond now generates more frequently within the split layers, which generate below Y0. So, your best chance at finding diamonds in Minecraft without having them replaced by bedrock is to explore your close to Y60. The depth is ideal for deep slate ores and you have lower chances of stumbling upon lava or bedrock. So in this very simple way you could get diamonds in Minecraft. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.